Hey guys, RTT back here for another video, guys. Today we have an awesome unboxing for you. This is the Stellar XR2 microphone. So, if you guys do not know, I do personally have the Rode NT1, and this actually broke. Just broke yesterday. So I saw on Amazon, I was like, hey, they have this bad boy up here. So I was like, let's go ahead and just see what we have to offer with this one. And currently, it actually looks pretty cool. It comes in a little carrying case, a little metal case. Let's go ahead and see how I can get this out. Okay. Not gonna lie, pretty dope already. A lot better presentation than my other microphone, than my NZX1. Didn't come with all this. And I was gonna say, you guys are seeing this before I'm seeing this. But first off, we have 14-hour burn-in test. Okay, so it looks like they tested this already with all this information. They tested this microphone to make sure it actually works properly. Alright, we got a little carrying case starting off right away right here, which is actually pretty cool. It says TZ Audio Products, okay. And we have the microphone right here, straight out the gate. And you guys are going to hear how it sounds in this video. But let's go ahead and just take a look at this. And this is small. I mean, comparing this to the NX, the NT1, I mean, this is smaller. Like, I didn't expect it to be actually this small, in all honesty. I was not expecting that. So, outside of that, in the case, you also receive a mount, a shock mount. So, I'm interested to see how this looks and how this works. Obviously, it's probably like most shock mounts. You just go ahead and plug it into your mic arm. But that's actually pretty cool. I mean, it's sleek, nonetheless. I'm about to see how you open that up to kind of, I guess it's, yeah, kind of just pull probably. Alright, and then you get this. And then this is actually very awesome. This, of course, is your pop filter for when you are having issues with the pop and other, syllables. So let me go ahead and try to put this on. And there we are. So we got the pop filter on. And I'm going to go ahead real fast, guys, and change my setup around. And you guys are going to see with this on and how it looks and everything like that. 1 second, guys. And here we are. So, guys, it is on. It is ready. And how does it sound? I don't know. Obviously, you guys are listening to this for the first time before I'm listening to this. So, obviously, I don't know if I've been post back, recording stuff. But, I don't know if it sounds good right now, if it sounds bad, ugly. I really don't know. All I know is that it's different than my Blue Snowball. And this whole entire time, guys, you've been listening to me on this right here. And actually, it's kind of funny because this is actually just connected USB straight to my PC. Which I had a Blue Yeti, but it actually went ahead. I sold it because I bought the X1, NT1. Can never get that right. NT1, and I bought that, and that's why I went ahead and sold my Blue Yeti. And I didn't expect it to break, and now it broke, and now I have this bad boy right here, which of course is being replaced by this bad boy right here. So this is connected straight to my Go XLR. There'll be a separate video on reviewing that in the future. But yeah, guys, this is the brand new Stellar X2 mic. How does it sound? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? See you guys in the next one. Peace out.